Ah.
Slow. Right now, we are in the bus. Naka-breakfast na ni, naka-bibig ka ang mga people. Nakita sa bibig ng McDo. Hashtag not sponsored by McDo. So, muna siya. Enjoy the ride. Say hi, Faye. We're currently trying the new point lens. TikTok shop, eh? So, you know where to find it. Over here.
Hello, update. Yeah, we're looking for a cafe. Random cafe. Hindi pa gihapon may kape. Dili sa batay. Kinanglan din na naman review for a free cookie. Mura kita ka naman. Thanks for your post. Ato na i-claim itong cookies. Kita yung cookie. Ah, thank you. We got our free cookies. Yay.
Birthmark or sa'yo. Hashtag virgin.
Hi. What can you say?
I like what I see and I'm excited to see more.
Abi na ko. Chichiria. West. I'm here, guys. Say yacht. How's the time so far? So far. Sad. Kaya wala ko yung phone. Ay, Ben! We're back!
Coffee time.
Hubo man siya, Wan.
Did we purchase the sciences?
Where is the design? Breakfast for tomorrow daw.
Oh, alit na rin.
So mag... Hello guys! Day 2! Let's go guys! We're here at the port. Ato na mi sa lagoon. Yeah.
Pare na tayo.
Have a choice.
And hello. So ang payment is when you get here para sa bangka and the entrance.
here, nagbuhat na sa snacks. Mara kadalaag kay I look forward to the snacks. Malit na milita. Snacks! Unsa ni pita bread? We have the pita bread dipped in hummus. Unsa made out of ang hummus? Healthy food. Pita with ketchup.
Ano po? Ay, ito na sa abot.
Ito si R?
No. Di mo kamot. Nasa akong vlog. Snack time, mag-add the friends. Snacks. For two. I'm for the beach. Kaya ba ang feeling? Basta na personal na ako, no? Magana ka ba? Daw ingon? Ice latte usap sa ice caramel. Awen. Free delivery. Hala. Ready na ko mo party. Mas scared ko slides sa ilang ice caramel because ilang caramel balik diri ka daghan.
Ano kaya masirante?
So we're currently here somewhere, barbecuehan tapat sa Happiness. Pero later, we'll show you asa yung mag-dessert. Balanced meal. How are you feeling? Ay!
Pa-February pa na parang malak mo.
Refreshment.
Shakes. Flan.
Dapat hard sila sila. Sir, ang creme sugar. I'm a boring ass bitch. What's that? Sige, go. Kita akong budget for today.
4 plus 900 plus 1.5.
Pwede, but
1.8 na 1.8 pa lang.
180. Guys, so survive pa ta tomorrow. Watch out.
it's our last full day here in Banday. Let's have an outfit check. Fit check. Also last. Wow, sexy girls. Nice among ride for today. It's big.
04C.
It's 04C. Sikit-sikiti lang guys. Let's go. We're here at the ruins. Tagan kay tao. High tide sa dili ni Kanao. Scary, maniwiyawa sila. Tulas sa nawan. Ready na si Miss Ams. What are you eating, Miss Ams?
Welcome everyone.
Say hi to my vlog, guys.
Pwede ka muna ulit.
Wag ala na dyan
Video sa hotel. Kaya ako naman.
Ako kaya. Kanto ilan ite?
50 ang tree.
It's ready. 2:27. Mag-lunch pa mi pa doon.
Ay mo lang kaya pa doon sa
Matabaw mo sa
Ha?
Mo ni pinaka-best na batch.
Dessert time. Cheers!
Hindi si Owen ang my mom.
To our last stop, which is asa ta?
the bar.
Ito na mi sa Little Siargao. Hala, nicer ni Dere. But busy pa sila there. Okay, we're going back. Asa ito makati na takakupon o Kota Beach. Wala dyan minamdan. Sunset.
Diretso lang sa amihan.
Siargao. Di ba yung nanya
On our way to eat dinner. Last night. We're going back to Amihan. Yeah. Cheers!
Garlic out. Dapat after sa taking fan, mag-make na dapat sila Google Drive po mo. Patrang pictures para abla Android maka-access mo.
Goodbye!
Bye Wi-Fi!
Bye guys!
Amo ni Fast man sa kanila.